Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add menu and submenu in Sidebar of our multi-tenant hotel management system project build with Laravel 13 and Vue Starter Kit. The starting point is the result of our previous video. If you haven't seen it, I'll link that in video description. So here we're in dashboard page, which means we visit URL/dashboard. If we need to access to other pages, for example, hotel page, all we need to do first of all is to add a menu in this sidebar, which will help user to be redirected to the hotel listing page. So let's go on Resources, Components directory in app-sidebar.vue file over here. I need to add menu under dashboard menu. So let's duplicate this JSON object and make some change. In title, instead of dashboard, it will be hotels. Here in this URL, I'm going to use /hotels for the moment, because I will use an inertia wayfinder helper after creating the route. If you need to change icon, the icon comes from Lucid View Next. Let's search on Google. You just go on Lucid View Next over here. Let's go on icons. So this all icons you can choose from Lucid library. So I can search hotel over here. I think this icon is looking good, and you can click on See the Action. You can just copy this and just import it over here and paste it over here. Now you see the menu is here. If I click on it, it redirects us to Not Found page. But here we need to be redirected to the hotel listing page. So let's create it by first of all creating the route. In Laravel, routes allows users to map a URL to a specific action or controller. So let's do that. Let's navigate to the routes directory in web.php. Over here, add new route. Hotels will have many routes, so let's use resources to generate automatically these routes, and then add a controller for hotel. In Laravel, controller helps us to connect model and view, and contains all the business logic. This hotel controller has been created, so just make sure to import this hotel controller. Now let me show you those routes generate automatically by running PHP Artisan Route List. You can see our routes generated here. Each route is mapped to a specific method in this hotel controller. So let's first create this method index for this route in hotel control. This controller is located in app http controllers directory. In hotel controller file, let's go to the index method. Return the view by using a inertia helper and render the view located in hotels folder called index. And I need to specify the data to pass to props over here. So let's just put empty array for the moment. And make sure you import inertia from inertia. This hotels represent the folder where the index view is placed, and this index represents view. In Laravel, view contains everything which a user can see on the screen. So let's create the index view on Resources, JS, Pages directory in a folder called Hotels, and then create a file called index.view, which is our view. Here, index page will look like dashboard page, so we can copy the layout from the dashboard file and paste it in index file. Now, let's remove this and add a title Hello. And here, instead dashboard, it will be hotels, and here it will be hotels. Make sure to import hotels from routes hotels. It's just an inertia wayfinder. Let's use also this wayfinder in app sidebar. So let's go to Components folder in app-sidebar.vue file over here. In this URL, I'm going to use an inertia wayfinder called hotels index. And then make sure you import hotels from routes hotels. Now let's go in the application, click on hotels menu, and then we visit URL/hotels and we're redirected to the hotel page. We see here this hello message with layout here, which is perfect. You can navigate through different pages with this sidebar, which is better. Now, let's add submenu over here. So let's first all go on Types folder in Navigations. Add Export Interface Nav Item with Submenu extends Nav Item. Within, add a condition if submenu exist. Show Nav Item Array or Null. Now let's go in App Sidebar. Change Nav Item to Nav Item with Submenu. And add a submenu. So let's duplicate this and change here to Users. And over here, add submenu for Assign Manager and all users. After add submenu, let's go in Nav Main component. In Define Props, change Nav Item to Nav Item with Submenu. And then go over here under Sidebar Menu button, add Sidebar Menu Sub. Make sure you import this Sidebar Menu Sub from Sidebar. Within, add condition v if item.submenu, and within add sidebar menu subitem, and add a loop v4 subitem in item.submenu :key subitem.title. Add sidebar menu sub button and a link. Just make sure you import sidebar menu subitem and sidebar menu sub button.
Now you can see that we have a menu with submenu, which is better. We finished to see how you can add menu and submenu in Sidebar, so let's stay here for the moment. In upcoming episode, we'll work around how to assign a manager to hotel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a like. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you can be notified for future training videos. Thanks for watching.